folks! Have you ever thought about how awesome it would be to have your iPhone read your favorite books out loud while you kick back, get some tasks done, or just take a break from staring at screens? If that sounds good to you, you are in for a treat. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to turn your book into an audiobook using just your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Spoken Content. Now toggle on Speak Screen from here. Next, tap on the speech controller and toggle it on as well. You'll see a speech controller pop up on your screen. Now head back and tap on Highlight Content to turn it on. If you would like, you can change the speaker's voice by tapping on Voices and selecting your preferred voice. Once everything is set up, launch the Books app and open the book you wanted to read out loud. Now tap and hold the arrow icon for a second and your iPhone will start reading the book aloud for you. And don't worry, it will also automatically turn the pages as it reads. So there you have it. That's how you can turn your books in the Books app into audiobooks on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I cannot wait to catch you in the next video.